state of the industry is interesting, right? It's such a big market, $360-something billion, right? That it takes a lot to move it. So it's continuing to grow, which we think is pretty encouraging. And the percentage of spending that people do externally or with vendors is also holding pretty steady. The biggest growth areas are really in some of the emerging technologies that we're starting to see to help round out the learning experience. And broadly, the soft skills that go along with rounding out technical employees. It seems to be an area of a lot of focus in many companies as they try and make it a bit of a differentiator. I was talking to a bank recently that is developing a boot camp for data scientists. So they're just not readily available in the market. They're very hard to hire. So what they're doing is they're developing a 6-week boot camp that'll bring in just a normal computer science degreed individual, and then take them on a learning journey that may be 6 or 8 weeks that has them coming at the other end skilled in the systems and strategies that they want to use in terms of their data science strategy. I would say customer ed, sort of extended enterprise training, is going to be the one that's going to do best through any recession or downturn in markets. Companies are really starting to see that they can have a substantial impact on their bottom line by doing effective extended enterprise training, making sure that their customers effectively understand what the warranty policies are, how to make sure that the systems are configured so that they don't break, so that they don't end up with calls into their call center, so they can really find ways to reduce the costs. It also creates stickiness with customers. I think an excellent customer education program will often allow customers to find new potential applications for the tools they bought, or perhaps even enhance or look to add licenses if it's a software program. So I think companies are focusing a lot on customer education. What we found in our research is that the age difference doesn't really change kind of your basic preference set. Everybody wants shorter learning, right? They want shorter, more relevant, personalized learning. They don't want to go and weed through a big 50-page PowerPoint flip to find the 2 or 3 things that they want. So that's pretty common. Is there a likelihood for them, for different generations, to feel more or less comfortable with technologies? Sure, but their preferences are very similar. So we launched the CPTM program a few years back, and that's gaining really good traction in the market. We really feel that those folks that have gone through it are now starting to be champions of it, and so that's made a big change. We're looking at topics to round out that training manager now. So we've launched a couple of certification programs, one specifically around leading leadership development programs, one on managing learning technologies, and then a couple of other programs around concepts like strategic alignment or being an internal consultant. So we're going to continue to look for those skills gaps in the training manager pool and try to feed those feed that need with some programs over time.